Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been quite a while. Let me turn on some more lights. So you guys don't know, that's pretty bright. I actually live in a basement, like kind of apartment, and I wanted to do this sort of like decorate on a deal on my channel, and I wanted to give you some updates, but I completely forgot to film yesterday. I was with my friend. She came over and she helped me decorate, paint, not decorate. So I wanted to show you, we painted 2 walls, and one of them is right behind me. It's that purple wall, and there's another one, you know, right here in front of me, and I'm gonna show you that. So I'm just gonna tell you what I did and kind of how I got this decorate on a deal. So this color here, the color that we covered it with, the color underneath this one was just white, and I want to do the entire area down here because the white was pretty dingy, chipped. It was just not white, so I wanted to do another color, so I chose purple. I wanted to go more with like a berry color, but I didn't get the exact color that I wanted, but I think this is still nice. It's so pretty. I never thought I would have purple on my walls, but I love it. So let me just show you. Give me 1 second. We have it. I'm obviously not a professional painter, but I think we did pretty well, and obviously I have some more here. These are all of our painting supplies. My can of paint is there, so I can obviously touch up any places, such as like around the corners here, because this is where the tape was, and obviously it went over, so we have some more touch-up areas, but not too drastic. We did up there, and then this whole area here. So all that's purple, as well as this hallway area. Let me turn this on. Yeah. And I do want to decorate and put some stuff on this wall, but obviously I wanted to do some painting first. So yeah, I got all this stuff here. Actually, let me show you my other wall first before I tell you. And that's this one here. This is the first wall we painted. It looks more gray, but it's really blue. It's like a smoky blue, and I think it's so pretty. I can't wait until we get our furniture. We have a couch coming in soon, so I can't wait for that. And it's just this long wall here. That's our humidifier, dehumidifier. So the color that was on our walls before was like this this color here, and it's almost like a mustardy yellow, and I don't particularly like that. I didn't like that color, especially since the wood here is of that same color, and there's nothing on the floor yet. It all seemed as if it was in the same color palette, like same tone, with nothing popping out. So I really want color and everything, so that's the plan. We're not keeping this here, so this is gonna be white instead of like the purple, because since I have 2 sort of like dark colors, I want to repaint everything that's white, and then that yellow will be white, so that way we have a bright color in between the purple and the blue, if that makes any sense. So yeah, that's all we kind of did yesterday, and it took hours. Like, my shoulders are killing me. But I really do like the outcome. We do have to get rid of that yellow on the pole where the blue wall is, but other than that, it's not too bad. I'm really loving it. And I did want to show, so the painting supplies that I showed you, which are these here. So I got some rollers, I got like a small sander, I got some like painter's tape here, obviously the sticks and the stuff that come with the paint to mix it and open it, and then obviously my paint. So I got this, or how I'm thinking of it as qualifying as decorate on a deal, is I got all this stuff from my job. So I do actually work at a hardware store that, I mean, I get a discount on all the stuff there, like the paint and everything. But that's not to say that like you guys can't like decorate on a deal, really. I would say obviously paint is going to be expensive if you don't work at a place that sells paint, or if they don't give you a discount on paint. But obviously like little decor stuff, like you know, just regular kind of DIY decor stuff, Family Dollar, Dollar Tree, and those stuff I'm gonna get into, not too much yet, but I did want to show you the colors that I chose for down here. And then I do have to do a separate color for my bedroom, because my bedroom is like pink and this other like weird color for like an accent wall, and I do not like pink on my walls. So, or at least like a baby pink, at least not for me. If I have a daughter, then maybe, but no thanks. Anyways, that is something that still needs to get done, and I'm hoping that I will remember to film that for you guys. Yeah, so I work at a True Value, so if you want to, like, so if you want to get the same colors I got, so the blue I showed you is called Gauge, and the purple I have is called Berry Bay, or Bayberry. I think it's Bayberry. Yeah, it's just right in their color swatch area, like you should be able to find it. So if you want those two colors, there you go. And again, I'm just gonna do this all white, and hopefully I'll remember to film. So I'm pretty excited. I love the colors, and I do plan on doing other things down here, and I'll keep you guys updated, and hopefully you will see it. So just remember to subscribe. Leave me a comment down below if you guys have any like creative, cool ideas or whatever, because I would love to hear them. So yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.